If I only have liability, what happens after uninsured property damage? Have you ever wondered what happens if you only have liability coverage and find yourself in an accident with an uninsured driver? Let's break it down. When you have liability coverage on your auto insurance policy, it means your insurance will cover damage you cause to someone else's vehicle or property if you are at fault. However, this coverage does not extend to your own car or property, regardless of who is responsible for the accident. Now, if your vehicle gets damaged in an accident caused by an uninsured driver, your liability coverage will not help you pay for those repairs. This is a significant limitation of having only liability insurance. You will be responsible for covering the costs to fix your own vehicle out of your own pocket. Some states offer uninsured motorist property damage coverage as an optional add-on. If you choose to add this coverage to your policy, it may cover repairs to your car after an accident with an uninsured driver, but this is not included in standard liability coverage. You must purchase it separately to benefit from it. If you do not have uninsured motorist property damage coverage and the other driver is uninsured, your options become quite limited. You might attempt to recover the costs directly from the at-fault driver, but this can be challenging, especially if they do not have the financial means to pay for the damages. In many cases, you may need to pay for repairs yourself or consider using personal savings or a loan to cover those expenses. Many drivers opt to add collision coverage to their insurance policies. This type of coverage pays for damage to your vehicle regardless of who is at fault. While collision coverage is not legally required, it provides broader protection, especially in situations involving uninsured drivers. In summary, if you only have liability coverage, you will not be protected against uninsured property damage to your own vehicle. Understanding your policy limits and considering additional coverage options can help you avoid unexpected financial burdens after an accident.